Hello everyone, this is Lady T with Design to a T. Thank you for visiting my channel on today. Today I am sharing with you an area transformation, and that area's transformation happens to be in my master bedroom, and so I'm going to be sharing that area with you on today. And so this is the entryway into my master bedroom. Needs a lot of updating, and so we're going to start in this area here where the armoire is located, and that area is going to be totally transformed into a different space. And so we moved the armoire into our guest room, and this is what it looks like after we painted it. And if you have not seen this video yet, I'm going to put it up in the iCard so that you can check it out. It turned out beautifully, and it has such a modern look, and I'm so happy with it. And so guys, what we did was we consulted someone, actually it was Closets by Design, to come in and to design the space for us. And they gave us several different ideas as to how we could design this space. And so what we wanted to do was use it efficiently and be able to decorate on top of it, or use the countertop on on the dresser. And so this is what it looks like, and these are some of the options that they gave us. And we could design it with all drawers, we could have it with drawers, and maybe a door in the middle. But we decided to go with this design, and we decided to go with all of the drawers. And so it turned out beautifully, and I'm so excited to share with you this space. And this is the beautiful reveal. And this is how this space transformed. And so I didn't have the footage of them putting it in. I wished I did, and but I just don't have it today. I'm so sorry, guys. But this is the outcome, and we love it. We love it. We love it. And there's so much space in there, and so much storage space, So now what we're doing is we are measuring, well, my husband is measuring for a mirror to put into this space. And also what we're doing is we're putting lighting in this space above as well. I'll be showing you that later on in the video. But here, of course, my husband is measuring so that he can center to the mirror. This is the lighting that we decided to go with, to put at the very top of that space, and it is absolutely beautiful. We purchased this lighting from Lowe's, and we are so glad that we did that. It just adds ambiance, and it's just really beautiful when it's lit. So right now what you're seeing is the mirror going up. Yeah, it's coming along. And so I'm so excited about this space. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to decorate. And guys, the mirror was purchased from HomeSense. So guys, just want to send some love to my husband. Thank you so much for doing all of the work, honey. And this is the final look, guys. I'm so excited to share it with you. I think it turned out really nicely, and I hope that you enjoy. So folks, thanks so much for stopping in to my channel once again. I'm so glad to have had you here on today. And I just wanted to let you know that I will be doing a full tour of my master bedroom soon. So if you want to see that video and you have not yet subscribed, I need you to do so. Okay, so subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hit it twice so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks again, everyone, and have a wonderful day.